First contact, a thought experiment. Imagine waking up tomorrow to the news that aliens have made contact with Earth. How would you feel? Excited? Terrified? Would it be the front page headline of every newspaper? The lead story on every news channel? We've searched for signals from distant stars, sent probes to neighboring planets, and even launched golden records into the cosmos, hoping for a response. But what if that response came tomorrow? What if we're not alone in this vast cosmic ocean after all? Close encounters of the what kind? So, how might this first contact actually go down? Would it be a dramatic spaceship landing on the White House lawn, like in the movies? Imagine instead picking up a strange signal from a distant star system, a complex pattern of radio waves that clearly weren't random. Or perhaps a space probe, not of our making, suddenly appears in orbit around Jupiter, silently observing the gas giant. Maybe they've been watching us for centuries, studying our languages, our cultures, our history, waiting for the right moment to say hello. Or maybe, just maybe, the first sign of alien life won't be some grand gesture, but something far more subtle. The discovery of microbial life on a distant moon, or the detection of strange atmospheric gases on an exoplanet, hinting at the presence of biological processes. The point is, first contact doesn't have to be a Hollywood spectacle to be profound. It could be a whisper in the cosmic dark, a faint signal from across the void that forever changes our understanding of our place in the universe. Earth, meet aliens. Aliens, meet panic. Let's be real, folks. The moment news of alien contact breaks, the world is going to freak out. Governments will scramble, global markets might crash, and social media? Forget about it. Imagine the pronouncements from world leaders, the emergency UN Security Council meetings, the scramble to decipher the alien message, if there is one. Meanwhile, the scientific community would be in overdrive. Every telescope on Earth would be aimed at the source of the contact, every supercomputer crunching data, trying to make sense of it all. The discovery of alien life wouldn't just be a scientific event, it would be a cultural, social, and religious earthquake. The ripple effect, life after hello. Assuming we survive the initial shock, the long-term impacts of alien contact are almost impossible to predict. But let's speculate, shall we? Imagine the technological leaps we could make if we could access even a fraction of an advanced alien civilization's knowledge. Fusion power, interstellar travel, nanotechnology, these could all become a reality. But this new knowledge wouldn't come without a price. What would it mean for our philosophies and religions? Would we find common ground with these extraterrestrial beings, or would our differences prove insurmountable? The discovery of one alien species could be just the tip of the cosmic iceberg, opening our eyes to a universe teeming with life, both wondrous and terrifying. The human equation, what to do now? So let's say the aliens are friendly, fingers crossed. What do? How do we, as a species, even begin to approach a civilization potentially thousands, maybe millions of years ahead of us? First and foremost, we need to listen, learn. Try to understand their language, their culture, their motivations. This won't be easy. It might take decades, even centuries, to bridge the communication gap. We also need to present a united front. Petty human squabbles over borders and resources would mean nothing in the face of an interstellar civilization, and we must proceed with caution. Contact with an alien civilization would be the ultimate test, but it would also be the ultimate opportunity. The universe awaits. What will we choose? So would you be more excited or apprehensive if aliens made contact tomorrow? It's a question that sparks the imagination and forces us to confront our place in the universe. How do you think society should respond? Should we actively search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or should we listen quietly from the safety of our own planet? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up.